Welcome to 22 Idits official Chetri Deep. Today we're making mutton Kosha Bengali recipe, all in just 3 minutes. Are you ready to experience the royal taste of Bengal? Today we're making the legendary mutton Kosha, slow cooked, spicy and so satisfying. Let's dive right in. Here's what you'll need. 500 mutton, preferably with bones, onions, ginger garlic paste, green chilies, mustard oil, curd, Kashmiri red chili, garam masala. Marinate the mutton with curd, turmeric, salt, mustard oil and ginger garlic paste. Let it rest for 2 hours, or even overnight for best results. Now, heat mustard oil until smoky. Add bay leaves, dry red chili, and whole garam masala. Ingo the onions, brown them till golden. Add your marinated mutton and slow cook it on medium flame. This step brings out all the magic. Take your time. Add a splash of hot water. Cover and cook till the mutton is melt in mouth soft. Finish with a pinch of garam masala and ghee for that restaurant-style touch. Look at that richness. Serve hot with basmati rice or paratha and enjoy the true essence of Bengali cuisine. Try this once and you will forget restaurant mutton forever. Like, share and don't forget to subscribe for more such drool-worthy recipes. Only on 22 Idits official Chitradeep.